Good day. Welcome to this lecture series in Godot.
Hello, good day, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to detect rockets that go out the screen and delete them so we don't have any performance issues in the future. So you see them here going off the screen, so delete them. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go back to 2D. Let's press play. So if we shoot, let's minimize. So let's go to the remote tab. You can see here, we still have the rockets in the game. All these are the rockets. You see more showing up. So we have to find a way to delete them. So let's shoot. So let's go down here. Let's look at our rockets. And we go down here by node to delete. You see the position. This is still going out forward. So although we shoot that so long ago, it's still going forward, so it's not really disappearing. So eventually, if the game gets larger, this could create some performance issues. To fix this, we're going to use a new type of node. Let us close up this. So let's go back to the Rocket script and we'll select this. We'll click Visible on Screen Notifier. I think visible here. Visible on Screen Notifier. Select Create. So I will just rename this Visible Notifier. Visible Notifier 2D. So it will create a box here. Let's select the movement tool. We can move this and up this box here. Suppose I have a property for screen exited. So go by the signals and you can see here screen exited. This signal is emitted when this node exits the screen. So essentially this box, when this box exits the screen, this signal will be emitted. We could use this node, this node and the corresponding signal to know when to delete this node because it tells us when this rocket exits the screen. So we'll do this inside of the rocket script here. So go back to script, select the rocket script. So we'll go here, like at on ready. Notifier underscore notifier equal to $ visible notifier. That's this here. You see it has the same name. So essentially, this line of code here is really reference to this node. So we now have it inside of our scene here. Now that we have a reference to it, we can connect the signal. So what we can do, we can make sure this is selected. We can go across to the signals here, double click on exited, and make sure the rocket node is selected because this will be the parent. And then you can click connect. So this is one way to connect. But I will not do it like this. I'll show you another way to do this. Same thing to connect the script, but I'll show you how to do it with code. So what we'll do, we'll create the ready function. Then we'll type visible notifier. So we just made a reference to a node, so we'll call the connect function from it. Center. See it's helping us here. We will type, we'll put inverted commas, screen exited, screen exited here, put a comma. The next argument will be the name of the function that we want to connect the signal to. The name of the function will be on screen exited. So I'll just leave this as I'll put down and create a function on screen exited. Function here, I think I'll put up underscore here. Right, that was the problem. Simple things like this make your code not work. Just be mindful of this. Now, when the node exits the screen, this function will be called. So to test this, you print something. Print rocket exited screen. So now if you press play, you run the game and move that shoot a rocket. Now we see rocket exit screen, shoot 3. So this is working. So what we want to do is to delete the rocket instead of printing rocket exit screen. We just use the print just to test to see if this function was working. To delete a node, we use a function called Q3. That's it here. See what's the auto helps. Well, this helps you a lot. So we can delete this. And you can go to play, go to remote, see the rocket here. Let's shoot. We see the rockets here, you have got it now. And then see, every time we shoot, the rockets is appearing here and then disappearing, but it's appearing as area 2D, but then disappearing, so that's okay. So this is working. So this is how to detect when a node exits the screen using the visible notifier node. We are also connected the signal with the code right here, which is this connect function. And we also learned how to delete a node using Q3. We achieved the objectives for this lecture here, so I'll end this video here. Thank you.